monster. That's the Velcro. Look at this. Lay back. Add a block to it. Water resistant on the outsides. Hello everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. There'll be no cooking today. I'm doing an unboxing. This video is sponsored by Temu. Temu is an American-based online marketplace. It is a cross-border e-commerce website with products likely to come from overseas, especially China. The products are lower than Amazon, but the quality is the same. The shipping is always free. Delivery is fast. With categories ranging from women's clothing to musical instruments, Temu has everything you need. Okay, now I have, it's only 7 items, and these are free stuff. F-R-E-E-E, free. 3 items. 7. This app is fast, addictive, affordable, and everything else. Okay, let's get ready into this video. Okay, I have, of course, I have this oversized t-shirt. I will add the price to the screen. Okay, this oversized t-shirt, it has the color block right here. And this is in a large. Okay, I thought it was cotton, but it's not cotton. It is stretchy, spandexy. I don't know. It has polyester, cotton, and spandex. So the good thing about this, I guess it would be fade resistant. So whenever you wash it, you wouldn't have any problem. So it's a good buy. And the next one is, I love the color. This is also another oversized t-shirt for momster. Okay, same fabric, stretchy, and these are also in large, spandex, cotton, and polyester. I love this color. So I did my nails. I had this on yesterday. The picture is right there for it. Okay, so that's that. That's 2. This and that. I got 2, and I got a little dressy for myself. These are free. Who don't like free stuff? Check it out. Cotton, round neck, stretchy, block, 3 colors. These are also in other colors as well. Then I have, your little girl has something going on under here. Getting a little chunky. This is a face slimming bandage, or face slimming belt, bandage, belt mask, facelift, double chin, skin strap. Put it under your chin and you just hook it up. That's the Velcro. Put it on and it just helps you with all of this under here. All of this good stuff right under here. Okay, the next item was this neck stretcher. Look at it. Neck stretcher. This comes in blue, black, this purple, and or pink, light pink. And it was only $4.98. Get yourself one. I need this, so I'll be using this a whole lot. And I can just lay back and watch the TV or whatever if I'm exercising. Oh yes. And it seems like silicone-like, yeah, silicone material. So it's bendable and all of that, so I don't have to worry about it breaking. This is nice, strong. Okay, what else in this bag? This bag came with so much tape, I could hardly open it. And it's here. And the next bag, handy dandy bag. I've got, oh yes, my nail lamp, LED UV lamp for nails, quick dry. Let's get it out of the box. This comes in 2 colors as well. This and the white. This is the cord for it. Just goes in here. So this is for the gel polish. It comes in the pink and white, and it's only, guess, $7.19. Wow. So all you do is put your nails, after polishing your nails, you just rest your hand down on a flat surface with this over it, and the light comes on, and you can adjust it to which speed you want. You have 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 99 seconds. So that's that. Last but not least, I love to wear slippers or something in the house. So I got these. Look at them. Nice and warm on the inside and water resistant on the outsides. These are waterproof PU leather slippers for women. Winter indoor home slippers. Indoor home, just what I need. And these were only $8.09. So they came in pink, this color, a yellow, blue. But they were all out of the other colors. I think they only had this and the pink, and I didn't want the pink, I wanted this because the pink would get dirty. And the sizing range from 5.5 all the way up into 9. Okay? So I got a 9. Oh, boy, they're warm. Whew. These are good. These are warm. They're only $8.09. Now I want you to use my code, my exclusive code, JOY7335. That's JOY7335. Like I said, this video is sponsored. Everything here was free. I didn't have to pay a dime. The prices are really lower than Amazon. Shipping is very, very quick. And they also advertise if they're behind, you also get a $5 gift. It may sound like a little bit, $5, but they have a lot of stuff for under $1. You can get 5 items. It's up to you. They have everything on this app. Clothes, watches, shoes, makeup, hair, house decor, whatever you want, they have it. They have it all. Free shipping on everything. 90-day return. Very, very, very low prices. Easy shopping on the app. Temu is absolutely, and I stress, addictive. You can't get enough. Everything is on Temu. I am so happy, and I must give kudos to my friend Sharon over there at Connection of Lives and Interests 2020. Sharon, thank you very much for inviting me here. Everything that you've seen here and you're interested will be in my description box below. So be sure to check it out. Temu is affordable. Temu is the place to shop. Go ahead and make your selection today.